Doing your taxes online can save time and money, but before you pick a platform, let's take a close look at TaxAct. Is it legit or is this service more trouble than it's worth? So TaxAct is a long-standing online tax preparation service used by millions of people since the late 1990s that lets you prepare and e-file federal and state income tax returns. It offers step-by-step guidance, multiple filing tiers, a free filing option for simple returns, and features like accuracy and refund guarantees. Here's where TaxAct really delivers. Legitimate and established, the company has been operating for decades and is widely recognized among DIY tax software options. Affordable pricing, lower base fees than many competitors, often with a free federal filing tier and reasonable priced paid plans. Step-by-step guidance and IRS e-filing support for federal and state returns, and features like refund tracking and live expert help are available for extra support, but it's not perfect. Mixed customer reviews. Many users on Trustpilot and BBB report confusing prices, hidden costs, or difficulties with customer service. Filing state returns can add surprise fees, even if federal filing starts free. Some users online say the software interface can be frustrating or glitchy, and getting timely support may be hard during peak season. So is TaxAct legit? Yes, it's a legitimate tax filing service used by millions and trusted by many for simple federal and state returns. But it's not perfect. Hidden fees, inconsistent customer support, and mixed real world experiences mean it might not be the best choice for everyone. If you want a budget friendly DIY tax option that genuinely files your taxes, TaxAct can work. Just be aware of the potential downsides before you start. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.